Hi guys, welcome back. Python for Student. In this video, we're going to learn what is a list in Python. So let's start creating a list in Python. List in Python is similar like the tuple or a string in Python. It contains the values and the comma separated or the numbers. So I will give the name of the list as number, then press equals, and then I will use square brackets, and inside square brackets suppose I'll write 1, 2, comma 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have written there till 10. You can write as many as number as your computers allows or as your systems allow. So I'll write this as a list. Now I will simply use the print command, print, and I will call the function name numbers that I have assigned, and now I'll simply click on a run, and you can see that the list added had given has been printed. And now there is another example that I will use for names, and in this we will not print all of the numbers or all of the names in similar manner. We will print them by magically. So let's start names. Now I will use names and equal again in these brackets is you can write the names in quotations. So I write and comma separated. So there I have written four names, which is Aisha, Sana, Akram, and Masood. I'll use their inward the double quotations, and all of these names are separated by the commas. And this is the same like the we use for this we use for triple printing, but with this printing method of list in this way will different. We will use print. And now suppose we want to print the value at a 0. Python counts from 0, so let's start. Python count will it as 0, it's 1, 2, 3. And suppose we will want to print the name at a number 3, and we don't want the all of this list to print, so we'll simply write the name we call the function name, and inside the square brackets we will write 3. And you can see that when we will print, it will only print this one which is the at the 3 number. Either there are the 4, but Python start from 0, 1, 2, or 3, so there will be 3 printed. So let's check, and you can see that the Masood has been printed at a number 3. And we can print this all print. By using a similar, we can write only names, not specifying a character inside square bracket, and you can see that whole of these four numbers can be printed. And you can see that these of names has been printed, and first we have printed numbers. And now we will explore list on heterogeneous data in which will contain names as well as numbers. So let's start. I will declare it as my list and then equal, then square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I can write comma. Now I can write 5, and now I can print this all as my list. And you can see that the heterogeneous list has been also printed. So these are the three types of list. So these are the three types of list that you can print. And there are the number of lists you can print any of the list or any of heterogeneous or the homogeneous data in a list as a Python. So I hope you have learned how to create a list in Python. Subscribe our channel for these important videos and to learn Python step by step.